sure how many of you guys know this, but it was my birthday recently, and well, happy birthday. Here's your Bobcat. This is gonna be the heart of the operation going forward. I've got a set of metal tracks for it, teeth for the bucket. Really looking forward to having a little horsepower to back up the operation. This will help when we're cleaning up, getting everything, getting the forest cleaned up, and obviously with the driveway in the house. So, also, if that wasn't good enough, I bought this sweet trailer. Look at that. That's 20 feet of happiness right there. You see it's got this wood deck that is in really good shape. You can't see it, there's tires over the holes. There you go, I think you can see it now. Anyhow, got my friends down in southern Indiana at Helmsburg Sawmill working on some new 2-inch by 8-inch green oak planks. Gonna get these stripped off, get this rust cleaned up, get this thing a coat of paint. As you can see, we've already got the drivetrain stripped down here. I'll show you that. Again, there's the, obviously these are old. You guys know what you're looking at. These are motorhome axles. I'm sorry, motorhome. Mobile home axles, that is. So we're gonna get rid of all of what you're seeing here on top of the trailer and replace it with proper 6-lug hubs and wheels and tires to match, all brand new. We'll replace all the lights. That's why I got that one out there. So rewire the whole thing from scratch, give it a coat of paint. Should be good as new. At least that's what we're hoping. Hopefully it'll be good enough to haul that sweetie right there. You can see that disassembly is complete. This is the trash pile over here. 5 tires, 4 drums, 1 hub, interesting combo. 2 brake backing plates. You'd think those would match the drum count, but they don't. Got a little bit of wear on those spring balancers. As you can see, we removed every single nut and bolt with the grinder. There's our springs. We got 3 of one type and 1 of another. This is the electrical trash box. That's all going away. This is what I swept off the trailer. That's about 10 pounds of rust and all the rest of the cut hardware. This is the old electrical system. All gone. There's the deck. See the old deck boards. Just treated 2x8s. We're gonna replace those with green oak 2x8s, but they'll actually be 2-inch by 8-inch dimensional. And we'll show you that. Okay guys, here's the finished product. We're still working on the rack. That'll be storage for the forklift forks. The tracks for the tires will go right there in front of the toolbox. The toolbox will be chains, binders, a couple spares. That's the oak deck. New tires all around, new suspension, new lights. There's a shot of that decking. There's that whiskey plank. I earned that one, guys. Beat that one in with a sledgehammer, like any good sailor. Anyhow, thanks for staying with me. We'll have some updates on the bus and the property out in Oregon here coming up pretty soon. See you soon.